Welcome to today's video. I will show you how to create a business photo with AI. On the screen, the best part? It's completely free and you can do it too. Let's jump right in and get started without wasting any time. First, open Google and search for the website Ideogram. Click on the link to open the website. Now, you need to create an account. You can do this easily using Google Login or with your email. Once you're logged in, tap on the plus symbol icon. Here, you'll need to enter a description. Now, tap on Generate and wait about 15 seconds while the AI creates your professional photo. After a few seconds, you'll see multiple AI-generated photos. Take your time to select the best one. Then, tap on the three dots in the corner and download the image to your device. Now, go back to Google and search for Remaker. Open the website, and you'll see a simple user interface. Tap on the Upload button and select the AI-generated photo that you just downloaded. Next, upload your real photo. This could be a selfie or any clear picture of your face. Just make sure your face is visible and well-lit for the best results. Once you've uploaded both images, tap Generate, and wait a few seconds while the AI processes your photo. And there you have it. Your professional-looking AI-generated photo is now ready. Compare it with your original picture. You'll be amazed at how realistic and high quality it looks. Now, simply tap Download and save your photo. You can use this for LinkedIn, resumes, social media profiles, or anywhere you want a professional image. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to my channel for more amazing AI tricks. Don't forget to like this video and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.